Hey, it's Julie Christensen, the Anger Lady here, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of an inside view into some of the things that happen when you are participating in an anger solutions workshop. One of the activities that we do early on in the workshop is a little brainstorm around what are the common beliefs that people have about anger, and you'll see behind me here that we've got a few. I'm going to share them with you. First of all, that anger needs to be managed, that anger is a problem, that anger is bad, that it's abusive or aggressive, it's not okay, it should be hidden, internalized, meaning we don't ever express it. That angry people are problematic, and that anger is something that only shows up in men. I don't think so. That anger is misbehavior, and that anger is socially unacceptable. It's punishable, right? That anger is a disorder, and that anger held in, anger internalized is good. But what we don't realize is that when we internalize our anger and we don't express it, then we are subject to all sorts of illnesses. We've got on this list here cancer, diabetes, heart disease, stroke, ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, migraines, and the list goes on and on. So do any of these myths resonate with you? When you look at this list, do you think, oh, I believe that, or I thought that that was the truth? Well, if you'd like to know what the truths are about anger and how you can begin to recognize, regulate, and resolve the issues that cause anger in the first place, reach out to me. You'll find me here on LinkedIn. Shoot me a DM. I can't wait to hear from you.